HPV is a common deadly disease that infects at least 14 million people each year, causing all kinds of cancer, and it's on the rise, especially in young adults. Researchers say the human papilloma virus is causing more than just cervical cancer. This mysterious virus is responsible for many anal, throat, tongue, head, and tonsil cancers as well. In fact, men are more than 3 times more likely to develop head, mouth, and throat cancer than women. And on the flip side, anal cancer has increased in women. This is dangerous because in the past, doctors did not routinely screen for these types of cancers like they do cervical cancer. Now, more research shows adults under 45 are increasingly being diagnosed with these cancers caused by HPV. The reason why this sometimes deadly virus has become more prevalent is because there's no way to protect yourself other than abstinence. The disease can spread as easily as skin-to-skin contact. Here's something interesting. Men are the vectors, and most of the time, they don't even know they have the disease because usually there are no symptoms. There are more than 100 strains of the virus. Not all cause cancer. A few years ago, 2 vaccinations were approved by the FDA. These controversial vaccines help prevent 2 of the cancer-causing strains of the virus. HPV is estimated to cause about 5% of cancers worldwide, so vaccination is crucial. Parents, the CDC recommends boys and girls as young as 11 years old get vaccinated so there's time for it to work before they become sexually active. For more information on HPV, go to www.cdc.gov.